Hey, I'm Awais from the Notion team. Notion shipped a lot of features last year, 90 to be exact. That's a lot to keep up with, you probably missed a couple, so we created this page to make it super easy to understand and see which features we shipped. We organized it by categories, things like integrations, quality of life, top 10, and you can actually click through tabs to see each category, or if it's easier, you can also just filter through them. And now I'm going to pass it off to our team to actually show you some of our favorite features.
Hello, I'm Hillary and I work on the finance team at Notion. And my favorite feature of 2023 is the Notion integration with Cron. You can attach Notion docs to your calendar events pre-meeting. You just join the meeting and open your meeting notes at the same time. Try it out.
Hi, I'm Tyler, a product designer here at Notion. One of my favorite features of 2023 has got to be automations. It's great if you want to be automatically assigned a task when designs are needed, or get an alert in Slack when a status has changed. Give it a shot if you haven't already.
Hi everybody, I'm Connie. I'm a product manager here at Notion on the editor, documents, and wiki team. My favorite feature of 2023 was definitely AI Q&A. I don't know about you, but keeping track of information can be hard, and with AI, it just becomes so easy. Give it a try.
Take a look through the page, let us know which ones are your favorite, and in 2024 we're going to continue improving the product.